Tired of resource pack chaos on your game servers? Let's simplify everything by using Dropbox. First things first, if you don't already have a Dropbox account, head over to their website and create one. It's quick, easy, and the free tier offers plenty of space for your initial resource packs. Once logged in, create a dedicated folder for all your server resource packs. This keeps things organized and makes it super simple to find what you need later on. Now, take your compiled resource pack files A_Euros. That's your zip file containing all the textures, sounds, and other assets A_Euros, and drag and drop them directly into this new Dropbox folder. Dropbox will then upload your resource pack to the cloud, making it accessible from anywhere. The magic happens when you share this folder. Right-click on your resource pack folder and select the option to get a shareable link. Make sure the link settings allow anyone with the link to view or download files, depending on your preference for players accessing the pack. This automatically generated link is what you'll use in your server's configuration or directly in-game commands to direct players to download your resource pack whenever you update the pack in Dropbox. The link remains the same, and players will automatically get the latest version when they connect or are prompted. And that's it. You've just leveraged Dropbox to streamline your server resource pack management, ensuring your players always have the best visual and auditory experience with minimal hassle.